you might be asking, what is the Good Neighbor Block Party?
What is it?
Okay, so it is a virtual sew-along that we are going to be hosting at Stitch House, and you can tune in to YouTube to see all of our video tutorials from myself, from Jessica, and from Terry.
And maybe we'll have guest appearances in the future.
Probably. Do you think Brian can teach him anything?
I think Brian could show him a thing or two on here. But I'm thinking like having some really cool celebrities come on and do some fun things. We're friends with so many different people. Terry is actually a celebrity in his own right because he's an educator for Janome and has been working with them for a while. So he's a treasure here in the store. Emily is a celebrity, she just doesn't know it. She's Orange Cat Stitches on Instagram and she does some really cool things. We have her quilts hanging in the back here. And I am not a celebrity, but I know a lot about sewing machines and I will be here to help you learn that kind of stuff.
Jessica's pretty much the coolest, so don't let her fool you.
I can tell you when you have the wrong foot on, that's what I can do. But we're gonna have fun with this, right?
Yes.
And it's gonna be interactive, and we hope that this is the first of many things that we do like this. And our videos are gonna be funny and silly and informal, but really educational, and I hope that's what everybody gets out of it.